Hey there, is your gut health silently affecting your everyday life? Find out the signs you might be ignoring. So, here's something we don't often think about, but it's important. As we hit our 30s, our gut health really starts to matter. But the thing is, we often ignore those early signs from our gut until it starts affecting our everyday lives. For anyone with a busy lifestyle, especially if you're traveling a lot for work, it can be hard to slow down and give your body the rest it needs, and that's when things can get tricky. Today, let's go over some common and not so common signs that might mean your gut needs a little extra care. By staying mindful of these signals, we can stay ahead of gut health issues and feel our best every day. So, stay tuned and let's dive into what your gut might be trying to tell you. Number 1. Inability to lose weight. Are you struggling to shed those extra pounds despite putting in your best efforts? This might be a sign of an imbalanced gut. When the gut microbiota is out of balance, it disrupts nutrient absorption, throws off blood sugar levels, and can lead to the storage of excess fat. This could be the reason behind your difficulty in losing weight, even with an active lifestyle. Number 2. Fluctuation in weight. If you're struggling to gain weight or experiencing unexplained weight loss, even with conscious efforts, a poor gut could be the cause. When healthy gut bacteria are inactive, it can lead to poor digestion and limit the absorption of essential nutrients. This may result in malnutrition and trigger unwanted weight loss. Number 3. Trouble in getting restful sleep. Most people think gut issues just cause stomach troubles, but there's more to it than that. Research shows that an unhealthy gut can actually affect your sleep, leading to fatigue. Interestingly, over 90% of serotonin, often called the happy chemical, is produced right in the gut. When there's inflammation or a lack of good bacteria, serotonin production can drop, which means it can impact not just your sleep, but also your mood. Number 4. Frequent instances of stomach upset. According to Sahil Samra, co-founder of True North Healthcare, explains that if you're frequently dealing with gas, bloating, heartburn, constipation, or diarrhea, it could be a sign your gut is struggling to process food and eliminate waste. These symptoms don't just cause discomfort, they can also seriously impact your quality of life. Number 5. Feeling more tired than usual. Research has shown that many people with chronic fatigue also experience IBS. So, if you're feeling more tired than usual, it might be a warning sign of a gut imbalance. Getting the right help could make all the difference in reversing it. Number 6. Constant brain fog. Experiencing brain fog throughout the day could actually be connected to our gut health. The gut and brain are linked by neurological pathways, allowing the gut to send vital nutrients and healthy fats directly to the brain. Without enough of these nutrients, it can become harder to focus and keep our thoughts clear, which can impact productivity. Number 7. Frequent skin flare-ups. Did you know that low levels of gut-friendly bacteria could be impacting more than just digestion? It can actually weaken our immune system and affect skin health, leading to issues like acne, eczema, and even psoriasis. In fact, research has connected acne to a condition called small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, or SIBO. So, if your skin is acting up, your gut might be trying to tell you something. Number 8. Intolerance to certain food items. Ever wonder why certain foods suddenly don't sit well with you? Often, it's because of an imbalance in our gut microbiota. This imbalance can make it tough to digest foods like gluten that you once enjoyed, triggering symptoms like nausea, diarrhea, gas, and abdominal pain. It's more than just discomfort. It can really disrupt your day-to-day life. Number 9. Frequent headaches. Did you know that frequent headaches might actually be linked to gut health? Studies have shown a connection between migraines and gastrointestinal issues. So, if you're dealing with nausea and vomiting along with those migraines, it might be time to take a closer look at your gut health. Number 10. Antoimmune issues. Here's something most people don't realize. Certain harmful strains of bacteria can actually trigger autoimmune issues like type 1 diabetes, thyroid problems, and rheumatoid arthritis. So, if you're noticing symptoms related to these conditions, it's important to take them seriously. It could be your gut sending out a warning signal. Number 11. Probiotic food. Want to support a healthier gut? Adding foods rich in probiotics, or gut-friendly bacteria, is a great way to boost healthy bacteria and ease gut-related discomforts. And if you're always on the go, probiotic supplements can be a convenient option to fit into your daily routine. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want more tips on gut health and overall wellness.